Hey everybody, good morning. My name is Scott Ryerson with MarineMax in Greenville, and I'm going to show you our beautiful 175 Sportfish Scout. It's in the Scout White color. Comes with bimini top. It's got the dual captain's chairs. It's got the 90 Yamaha 4-stroke on it. Got the 2 jump seats here in the back. It's got a nice ladder for easy entry. Under the jump seat here you have your live well bait tank. Nice dash layout. Access panel. And you can use that for storage also and keep the batteries up underneath there. Have the nice cooler also as a seat. Nice wet box right here. And got the trolling motor plug already equipped for easy adding of a trolling motor, and a nice deep anchor locker. Thank you so much for looking at our Sportfish 175 Scout. You can check us out at MarineMax Greenville.com. Thank you so much.